Hi there, it's time to look at what are the whales probably doing now for Algo. If you're new to my session, these are the key items I'll cover during the session. So let's start with the weekly chart of Algo. Algo is still within the Wyckoff accumulation cycle, somewhere middle or late stage of the cycle. And we call this the testing stage. It's probably the longest period within the accumulation cycle, and what the whales are probably doing, they are going to shake out the paper hands until only diamond hands remain. Okay, so over the past 5 weeks, there's a little bit of positivity going on. We see these white candles prices going up, but last week and this week, we're probably like pretty much stagnant. We see this white cross at the bottom. So currently, the test is still within the two key levels of 0.10 and 0.16. So the red key level and the orange key level. What is the spring here if you're new, right? This is something at the late stage of Wyckoff, like what happened over here back in 2024. A deeper level of test, lower than the selling climax and the second test, meaning the previous lows. Okay, before the price shoots up to the next distribution cycle or the next peak. Alright, so that's what it is. It's not a must that it happens, and sometimes even after a spring, it doesn't mean it goes all the way to the top. Sometimes it's just challenge where the last peak was. For Algo is somewhere around the two blue key levels, 0.29 and 0.32. After that, it comes back again before it goes up. It all depends on what the whales want to do. So this is the big picture. And when we get to the daily chart, something very interesting you are seeing. The price is still traveling along this triangle and it's getting narrower and narrower. And we talked about this before. We're getting closer to this date of 21st of January. We're only a few days away. What's important about that date? It's basically a confirmation whether this downtrend will continue or are the bulls successfully gaining enough strength to break outside of this channel. Alright, let me zoom out and let you see what the channel looks like. This down leg basically started somewhere back in July last year. Yeah, it's half a year, time flies. Okay, and this is where we are waiting to see, the confirmation. It should go outside to at least show a sideways. Okay, given the environment isn't too bad as of this moment, unless all of a sudden 2 days later, the risk on mode gets even worse. All right. A lot of capital has already fled to gold and silver, and who knows what's going to happen with a lot of geopolitical events going on. So this is a date somewhere around the 21st or 22nd January. I just adjusted the channel so it brackets the candlestick top even more. All right, so it's somewhere around the next 3 to 4 days. We'll see that confirmation coming. If it gets rejected and falls below this yellow intermediate support level of 0.1294, then we probably have to wait till the beginning of February, around the 8th, somewhere before that date, before the next opportunity comes in. Alright? So if you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier than the others, it's time to